So I have this arrow of light sign that one of the pack members built for us a few years back, and since then it's taken a little abuse and we're having some of the colored film break out. And so what I plan to do is to remove all this film and cast some colored resin into these areas so it's more permanent. As you can see on the back, these films are simply just tacked into place, and we're just going to pull those pins out and probably put some packaging tape on the back of this, and that packaging tape will contain the resin inside each of the cavities, and then when we put the back panel on with the light, it should shine through really nicely.